Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about nails. I bought a nail dip kit so I can do my nails at home. So first I started with filing my nails down, and then I used Mia's Secret Nail Prep pH Balance Dehydrator, which kind of gets like all of the oils off of your nails so the nails will stick better with the glue. And everything will stick. And then next I skipped forward ahead to putting on the nails. I purchased everything you see here at Amazon. These are clear nails. These aren't tips. These are just the full nails. And I like these. I think they're more sturdier than the actual tips. And I held them down each for a few seconds just to make sure that glue really sets in and sticks to the nail. And you can definitely buy nail tips if you want. You don't have to buy the nails that I bought. Next, I shape the nails and do a rough file on the nails so I can get that shape that I want. I love coffin. That's usually the shape I go for. Next, I add the base coat by Azure for the dip powder. And I love these products because they don't need any UV light, anything for curing. So none of this uses any UV lights. And you can see my daughter helping me there. She's dipping my finger in the powder, which is probably the most fun part. I think this is the reason why I love dip so much, is because you can actually dip your fingers in the powder and just see everything unfolding in front of you. And for the colors, I use the gray dipping powder from Honey Joy that I bought online, and then I bought a silver that's called Hologram. That's from Imagination. That's also from Amazon. And you want to do at least 2 or 3 coats of each. And then you put the base coat on top afterwards. You let that sit for at least 30 to 60 seconds and then go in again. It depends on how thick or, you know, how you want it to be. For me, I do about 3 coats. And then once everything is dry, then you can do the activator. That's what I got so far. It looks really cute. I love this look. Next, I'm going to move on to the activator here. That's step 3. And this will bond everything together. This is what hardens the nails and keeps the powder together with the base coat, everything. It kind of locks everything in. You want this to sit for at least a minute and let this dry. Again, you do not need any UV lights. You don't have to purchase any lights for these products, which I love, 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 because I love doing my nails. And with the pandemic, we couldn't go outside or anything. And I was not trying to purchase a light. Nah, that's too much. And these dip products, they really last a long time. And with the powders, you can mix up different powders to make your own colors too, if you really wanted to. feel fancy. Look at that, feeling fancy. And then the base coat is actually a base coat and a top coat. So I put that on top, and that's kind of like a clear top coat. And then once that dries, I go back in with another clear coat, just to get more of that polished finished look. And that's the finished product, and they look really good. Not too bad for some DIY at-home nails. And that's the clear coat I was talking about that I add. Just some Sally Hansen clear coat nail polish. And that's the finished product. And I put my cuticle oil on. My nails get really dry. And that's it. I hope you love my video.